Hello, my name is Cecily Holland. Make sure you can hear me here. Um, this is for assignment 4 for machine learning 5440. You can see here my import section. I chose the book Pride and Prejudice, and then you can see I'm loading the file, removing the header and the footer here, stripping lowercase and white space, as well as some formatting. Then here we're generating the character level vocabulary. So this is a character level recurrent neural network trained on the full text of Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. And I got this data set from Project Gutenberg. After I downloaded the book in plain text format, I cleaned and removed the Project Gutenberg headers, like I said, created a vocabulary of unique characters and converted the text to input-output sequences, which is happening here. And then we're doing this in order to predict the next character in the sequence. So different from a word prediction model like ChatGPT, this is a character prediction model. And I actually definitely learned some about that through doing this exercise, because when it came out, I was like, why aren't these words? And so then I was reading about it. But I built the model using Keras with a single LSTM layer followed by a dense output layer with the softmax activation. So you can see that that's happening here. You're doing the hot encoding for each character and then enumerating the input sequences. The model was trained on 50,000 sequences from the dataset using categorical cross entropy loss, as well as the atom optimizer. 50,000 actually took a long time. So even though it was like about a third of the whole book, like, yes, you can see it was more than a third, but there's 72 or 728,000 actually. Total sequences, I just did 50,000. I was planning to start there and then increase after seeing some initial results, but it took so long. I've been using Colab a lot, so my rate limit is decreasing. So I was unable to increase the sequences from 50,000, but I actually got a really good result using that, so I just went with that. The model was trained for 10 epochs, and as training progressed, the loss consistently decreased. You can see that here as it's outputting the epoch training results, and the model was learning the patterns in the character sequences. So next we do the text generation using a seed and the trained model. And then I use the model to generate a 400 character sequence of text using temperature controlled sampling function. And then the generated text result or reflects the model's learned understanding of character patterns, sequence rhythm, and basic word structure. Although some words are not real, as you can see, the output demonstrates a clear grasp of the writing style and rhythmic nature. And the outcome projects successfully. The outcome of the project successfully demonstrates how a simple RNN can learn to generate text in the style of a given dataset. If extended with more training time, increased sample size, or word level modeling, the output could be even more coherent. Thank you so much. My name is Cecily Holland, and hope you have a good day.